There's a streetcar. It's been parked up there. T6FCC, formerly YJ07LVX. This has to do in service box. Yeah, that was originally with Leeds as well, but not anymore because of Luton. Was recently with Luton from like probably like 11 years ago or 10 years, because this one is very old. Not really very, but really old enough. Yeah. So yeah, that's the streetcar being parked up. So let's hope that it might go off some point. It's the only one that's been left. He's only left in service as well. And it's December 2019. So they just made something. They just made something special. Oh, it's awesome. So they put some. Now they chopped something for a reader for out of London. So that's so incredible. So that is awesome. So people know that they will see with their eyes. They see the reader on the left, and that's very pretty rare as well. But it's been changed a little bit. But all good. I wish this one comes to London and we're painting red, but that will never happen again. So I think that stays in Luton for a couple of years' time, and it'll be gone. Might be preserved for that route, which has been belonged to somewhere else. Yeah, thank you for watching.